Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How you guys doing? All right, so we are happy that our Ethereum breakout has been confirmed as we predicted yesterday. All right, so in case you've not watched that video that we released yesterday, check on the description below, guys. I'm going to tag that video yesterday whereby we were here yesterday, and I made it clear that Ethereum actually will be breaking out of here, guys, and you can see the breakout has been confirmed. So thank you guys for your goodwills and messages. All right, so in case you've not subscribed to this video, kindly subscribe. So today, guys, we'll be answering the next question. Said, after the breakout, what next? All right, so what next are we looking at after the breakout? Where to take profit? For some of you guys that's already in profit, congratulations. Okay, and so today we're going to answer where we're expecting to take profit, guys, because until you take profit from your trade, you've not made money. All right, that is one rule. Until you take profit from your trade, you've not made money. All right, so let's dive in. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please kindly subscribe and like this video. We have this ABC kind of, but now you see we're expecting that this will be a triangle kind of. Okay, so to be a triangle, all right, so whereby it comes up here, comes down here for D wave, E wave, and there we go. Okay, so this is what we're expecting under probability. Now, but in case if this does not happen, so the next alternative count might be whereby you have 1, 2, 3 here, coming here, tagging this up here, okay, and dropping down here. Okay, so this is another alternative count. All right, so whereby we have this 3 kind of 1, 2, 3 down. This is an alternative count. Okay, so but irrespective of whether Bitcoin chart, Ethereum chart to be doing 1, 2 as a triangle and go up here, or as a kind of running flat and come down here, making this ABC. Irrespective of that, this trade is a value trade, guys. Okay, this trade is a value trade, so we're expecting this to come up here. So for your take profits, I advise you to take profits at this point, guys. Okay, at this point, guys, this is where to take profits. So we're expecting, as market tags this trend, so you can put this trend in your own chart so you can know exactly where it will be tagging, because sometimes the market might go like this, it correct itself, go like this, correct itself, and tags here, guys. Okay, so we're expecting come like between 27 to 28,000 range, somewhere here. As the market tag this line, this is where we're expecting to take our profit. So we now watch the market and see actually if the market is giving us another correction up or making a bigger correction downwards. Okay, so that is what we are looking at, guys, and that's how I want to position yourself. So what we predict in our trading is the destination, guys. We only predict the destination, but the roads to that destination, we don't know exactly how it's going to happen. All right, so that's why we trade the market as it develops. All right, so now having said that, so bear in mind that if you're already in a trade, congratulations, we're all in a trade, and I entered a lot of trade yesterday. So let me show you some of the trade I entered yesterday. As we are, I put my hands where my mouth is, guys. So here, the first trade here is 116% profit. The second one here is that's Ethereum. The second one. The first one is Monero. I entered Monero here, 116% profit. Second one, Ethereum, 70% profit, and third one, EOS, 54% profit. All of them are in profit, guys. That's the trade I entered yesterday. Okay, so you can see that everything we are saying here is actually working for us, guys, because we understand the way market moves. All right, so kindly, if in case you are not already in the trade, let me show you the next alternative possible entry. Okay, so in case you're not in a trade yet, so we are also expecting we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be a steep push up here, 5. Okay, after this we have a bigger correction that will take us here. Okay, so you can enter here, and I think this is the best time for you to enter. It all depends on where you're watching the video, but if it has broken here, don't enter. If the market has broken this up, don't enter, because there will be a bigger correction here, a bigger correction that will take us here. So this bigger correction will correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. So this is what we're expecting on Ethereum. All right, so let's dive into Bitcoin too and see what is developing now. As we predicted on Bitcoin, that's how it's playing out, guys. Everything here looks clear, man. I wish you can see the market the way I'm looking at it here. It looks beautiful and clean. Right, it looks beautiful and clean. Now, what are we expecting in Bitcoin? Now, yesterday I told you there will be a breakout. I made that update here, guys, that this market will be breaking out here, you know. So that's the reason why all trading are probability kind of business. There's no certainty, you know. As the market was first of all giving us this impulse, I was thinking in a bit, okay, what, this is a running flat that we are coming down. No, but now this structure actually changes the whole scenario, because then this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting a very aggressive sell-off here and correction here, and down we go. But instead of that, it makes a very sluggish conservative sell. So in that regard, and it has given us kind of what people call a flag. Okay, so this flag now actually changes the whole thing, because this is a bullish pattern. There is a bullish pattern that we recognize that at the break of this, we are going up. Anyway, so that's by the way. So now the most important question now is where are we going from here? Where are we going from here? Now, I just wanted to observe something. Now, you see, anytime Bitcoin started making this kind of move, so it is always a complex one. So the valid trade that we are in here, I'm already here in Bitcoin. I'll show you one of my Bitcoin trade again. I think I'm already, yes, let me show you my Bitcoin trade. I have it in different place. I think it's already 49, it's dangling. This is 49% Bitcoin trade, 49% Bitcoin. This is my Bitcoin trade. All right, so I actually entered late on Bitcoin. Okay, I was concentrating on that trade, so I entered in Binance futures. You can see that this is Binance future. So I entered there, and it's a 49% percent profit so far. All right, so that's by the way. So let's dive into the chart. So what I'm expecting in Bitcoin now? So my take profit at this point will be, I'm measuring this wave, guys. This wave, I'm measuring this wave here. So, and that is what I have here. Okay, and this is the point, that's 40,000 range. The reason why I want to take profits here is this. Okay, so you have some milestone to go. So the reason why I want to take profits here is this. Now there is a possibility of Bitcoin giving us this pattern, guy, because it has tagged this low, which is obvious, so making it a kind of a running flat, whereby I have one, that is A, this is B, okay, and C comes. This is possibility. We've seen that over and over again. All right, because if you are taking a look on daily charts, I will not be comfortable seeing Bitcoin, you know, going up from here. All right, because to me, structurally, it doesn't really make so much sense. Well, I might be wrong, okay, but there's where I'm looking at it this way, that there should be a completion of this wave down. That would be healthy. All right, that would be more healthy. Okay, a completion of it down. Anyway, but because the first, where I'm basing my own argument is because of the first wave down we saw. Okay, let's go down to the first sell-off. This first sell-off, it gives us the whole scenario. You see, if there's something you should learn from this video today, is that, you see, the beginning of any trend will tell how aggressive that trend will go. All right, the beginning of any trend is where the whole story lies in the trend. All right, if a trend begins like this, What does it tell you? This is, I will not give you the answer. Okay, you want me to give you the answer, right? Okay, so if a trade begins like this, let me give you guys, you are special guys too. If a trade begins like this, a trend begins like this, three wave, what it tells you that in a long, this trend is going to be a corrective trend. Now, if a trade begins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what does it? It tells you it's going to be an impulsive trend. So it's going to take a long time. So if you take a look from how this trend began, you have one. This is a corrective structure. This is bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually, we can drive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here from this first trend that establishes this down sell. All right. So because of that, what you should be expecting in a bigger structure should be a 5 wave down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you should be expecting, nothing less. All right. So, well, I'm basing my argument based on what I know. Let's just look at how it goes. So, but what I'm looking at here and how I'm seeing this chart here is that it's a very complex chart. All right, complex in the sense that we might not be going off from here. All right. So just be very, very observant. What we are seeing is this might be something like this, and down we go, which is likely. So we have this one, we have this, and we have this. All right, it's more healthy this way, guys. It's more healthy this way. So this is what we'll be expecting. In case it happens this way, that would be fantastic. So in case why I'm emphasizing on this, so that you know that your take profit should be anything from here to here, guys. All right. So within this range, you should be taking your profits if you have joined us in this buy here. You should be taking your profit here, guys. All right, because from here there's a possibility of sell-off. All right, so that is just by the way, guys, and I'll keep updating you guys as the market develop. All right, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and let's trade responsibly. And there's one thing I should leave you with today is this: every market corrects itself, and don't panic when the market is correcting. Now, if you have not taken profits in your altcoin, and I will advise you, as Bitcoin comes here and it starts reversing, you know, I think you should take profit here, because from here downwards, there will be a massive sell-off in altcoin, a massive sell-off that many guys will freak out. So let's put this trend like this. Okay, let's put this trend here. So as the market develop here, we'll now see how it happens. All right. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys.